Understanding, shining example, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, shining example. This idiom is not only common but also paints a vivid picture in English. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Shining example refers to a person, action, or thing that is so good or admirable that it could serve as a model for others to follow. The word shining in this context means outstanding or excellent. It's often used to highlight someone's exemplary behavior or accomplishments. This idiom has its roots in the idea of something bright and visible, like a light, serving as a guide or a model. It implies that the example is so good that it stands out clearly, just as a shining light would in the darkness. 1. In a professional context, our CEO is a shining example of effective leadership. 2. In a personal context, my grandmother's kindness makes her a shining example to our family. 3. In an educational setting, this student's dedication to her studies is a shining example for her classmates. Highlight positive qualities. Use this phrase when you want to commend someone's positive attributes. As a form of praise, it's a great way to praise someone publicly. To inspire others, by calling someone a shining example, you can inspire others to emulate these admirable qualities. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, shining example, in your daily English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures those words paint and the stories they tell. Keep practicing, and soon, you might just become a shining example of English proficiency yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.